Hey, it's Lou Mortone. Now, chances are you know how important video is for your business, but maybe you've been stalled or stymied by the technology, or you just haven't had the time or resources to do your video. Well, the good news is I've invested in this really cool software that allows me to help you do your video remotely. Everything from the scripting to the shooting to the post-production and editing done for you. All you need is an iPhone and a space to record, and I can actually help you shoot your video remotely from my desktop. I control the lighting and the sound and everything, so all you have to do is set up your iPhone and get together with us, and we shoot it together, no matter where you are, from the convenience and comfort of your home or office, and I control it from here, and it's a great way to get your video done without ever leaving your house. So check out the details below and let me know if you want to be part of this exciting new offer. I'm only doing it for a handful of folks, but it's really convenient, really easy, and totally done for you. So you can finally get that video done, that homepage video, that sales page video, that about me video, and get that video up there and out and enjoy all the benefits of online video. Hope you take advantage of it. Thanks.